So that is how you develop your listening skills. And if you had to ask me, one of the ways in which you can improve your listening skills is by maybe try watching a movie without subtitles. Try understanding what the person is talking about without actually having to look at the text. So that helps you listen more keenly for information, because you have to pay attention to their lip movements and what they're talking about. So try doing that. That is one way. But the only other way, I think
listening is actually a bit of reading, a bit of listening, speaking, and a bit of writing. When everything comes together, listening is actually complete.
Yes.
So you cannot listening has got everything to do with all the other three segments. So you cannot separate listening from all the other segments. All these four segments come together. They have a reason to be together, because all of them together makes or builds your language skills. So my concern is, one of the problem that I've always faced is I've had problems in downloading apps.